Happy day number 13 for your digital online learning. I'm going to quickly go over a few things. So hopefully you had an amazing Easter break weekend. So it is Monday, Tuesday. We're back at it again. So parents and students, I sent to you multiple emails. You will see tons of emails I've sent to you. So parents, I also sent it to you with Remind in your email. So if you do not get this, go to your child's Chromebook, go onto their email, and you will be able to find what I am referring to. So you're going to go to where it says Digital Online Learning for this week, April 14th through 17th. When you click on that, it's going to bring it up. Everything that is blue is going to be a hot link. So click on that. It's going to bring you right to the plans that I have created for this week. You'll also notice that down below there are other things that are in blue and also underlined. Those are hot links as well. Trying to make this as user-friendly and easy as I possibly can for you. So make sure that when you are working on this that you realize that. Okay, so a couple things down below. After this loads up, what you're going to be able to do, you'll be able to, if I go to where it says, for example, Fact and Opinion Video, click on it. This is from Mrs. Raby. You'll notice it pops up the video. If you click here again, it will open up the video for you. All right. Then down below, for example, if I continue to go down, Fact and Opinion Practice, it'll bring you to a sheet. If I click here this is for the IXL. When you click here, notice, all right, and then click on the blue hot link that's within the window, you'll notice here this brings you directly to the IXL assignment that I am referring to. Now, make sure what you need to do though is you need to make sure that you sign in. Students, I emailed you a username and password, all right, so make sure that you sign in using that, please. All right, Google Classroom, a couple other things. All right, it's going to bring you to Google Classroom. So with Google Classroom, you have a couple different ways that you can get there. All right, you can go down below. Notice it should have there's a hot link here. If I click on this hot link, it's going to bring you to the classroom. A couple things that I need to go over with you is when it brings you to the assignment, all right, you'll have two different tabs here. So notice here's the assignment. So if I click here, all right, I can click here on this particular, the solve the word problems. So if I click here, what it's going to do is going to bring you to the word problems. This is for the math, so I'm trying something new. Instead of having in the math worksheets, it's right onto the Google Chrome. Also too, if I come to the Google Chrome, come back over here to, say for example, Mr. Haywood's writing. All right, you can also click down below. Notice it says you have stream, classwork, and people. So if I go down to the assignment, all right, for example, the opinion writing for today, and I click on this, there are going to be two different things. Well, you're going to see this, all right. In order for this to work, all you have to do is click on, all right, click over here where it says add and create. So you can click right here, and you can go to a doc, and you can open up a doc, all right, the Google Doc. So, and it creates the Google Doc for you, and then whenever I can see your work and your progress whenever you're working on this as well. So it makes it very, very easy for me to check and see what is going on and how it's working for you. So if you do not save it here, notice it even has it saved. So see, I'm using yours as an example. All right, so notice opinion 1 has the date on there as well. All right, so anytime it says talks about the fonts, just go ahead and dismiss that because you really don't need that. So you should be fine with that as well. So anytime you go back over here, all right, notice with this one, classwork, click on the classwork, all right, and for example, opinion day 1, when I click on this, all right, where it says view assignment, all right, that's how I can get to it. All right, so make sure when you're working on this, make a Google Doc list of opinions or topics you might want to write a persuasive essay about. Here are the directions right here. This is where you click it. You don't have to turn it in. I will be able to see on GoGuardian, so don't worry about turning that in, okay? So that's how you get to it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can either email me, all right, you can use the Remind app, parents, or students, you can always email me. I will check that out as well. Oh, GoGuardian as well. So make sure that you use that app. So hopefully this is as clear as it can be. Sissy, with some of your stuff, I've already started it for you, so sorry about that. But thank you for letting me use yours since your Chromebook is still here, since you're using your iPad at home. So please do an awesome, fantastic, super job. I'm trying to make it easy on you. Let me know if I can do anything to make it easier. Thanks. Take care. Remember today, whether big or small, be a blessing. Bye.